Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect Indeed to Cloud step by step. This is perfect if you want to streamline your job search, organize your applications, or use AI to boost your productivity. On your Cloud AI dashboard, to connect Indeed, all you have to do is click on Customize in the middle left part of your dashboard. Once you are here, simply click this option. You will be taken to the customization section of your AI. Here, you will see two options, skills and connectors. Since we are going to connect, just click on Connectors. In the search bar, type Indeed. As you can see, no connectors show up at first. So we will browse the connectors and find it in the Cloud Connectors directory. Here, just type Indeed again. Once you see Indeed, all you have to do is click the plus sign to connect right away. You will need to log in to your account. You can log in with Google, then choose your account and click Continue. Once you are logged in, just enter your phone number here. Then confirm your number so it can be verified. Please note, verification is done via WhatsApp. If you do not have WhatsApp, verification cannot be completed. Choose your country, enter your number, and verify it via WhatsApp to complete the connection to Indeed. And that is how we successfully connect Indeed to Cloud. This integration helps us manage job listings more efficiently, generate AI-assisted responses, and simplify the job application workflow.